Giving someone the air. Understanding this quirky English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom. Give someone the air. If you've stumbled upon this phrase and found yourself scratching your head, worry not. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's unpack this quirky expression together. The phrase, give someone the air, is a somewhat old-fashioned, slang way of saying to reject, dismiss, or break up with someone. Imagine it as metaphorically showing someone the door, except the door leads out into the open air. It's not just about physically moving someone, it's about removing them from your personal space or life, often in the context of ending a romantic relationship. While the exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, it's believed to have emerged in early 20th century America. Back then, the air symbolized a lack of commitment or seriousness, as if saying, I'm letting you go into the vast, open air. Over time, its usage has dwindled, but it remains a charming and illustrative way to express the concept of ending a relationship or dismissing someone. It's worth noting that because this phrase is somewhat dated, using it can add a vintage or humorous twist to your conversation. It's perfect for storytelling or for adding character to your dialogue. Let's see how to use give someone the air in sentences. After 3 months of misunderstandings, she finally decided to give him the air. He didn't meet the project's expectations, so the team had to give him the air. I can't believe Jake gave me the air just because I forgot his birthday, said Maria, utterly perplexed. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, applicable in both personal and professional contexts, albeit with a more light-hearted tone in the latter. And there you have it, folks. Give someone the air is a quirky, vintage phrase that adds flavor and character to your conversations about rejection or dismissal. While it's not the most common idiom in today's English, using it correctly can showcase your knowledge of the language's rich tapestry of expressions. We hope this video has enlightened and entertained you. Keep exploring the wonders of English with us, and until next time, happy learning. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's about connection. So go ahead, give these new phrases a whirl in your conversations, and see where they take you.